welcome to JRTV. Now we can discuss about the migration of teeth. So if a patient will have caries teeth, if it is in so much deteriorative condition, if the dentist remove the deteriorative teeth, then there will be drifting of the neighbor teeth towards anterior, and neighbor teeth in the anterior side means anterior abutment will drift to posterior side. So there will be gap between the mandibular teeth because the drifting because of high pressure while mastication, because every Indian will take 3 times food, breakfast, lunch and dinner. So because of hard consistency food, while chewing or mastication or grinding of food, the posterior abutment will drift towards anterior, and the anterior abutment will drift towards posterior. So the 100% 90 degrees of teeth won't happen, because there will be a gap in mandibular ridge or maxillary ridge, because the posterior teeth will drift or migrate towards the anterior side, and the anterior abutment will drift towards posterior side. So if the teeth drifting towards the posterior side, there will be gap between the neighboring teeth, and there will be food impaction. If it is mutton fibers or chicken fibers or vegetable fibers or any sticky food like chocolates and chocobar and creamy and pastry and muffins like burgers and pizzas, the creamy food get impacted in between the interdental spaces, and there will be profuse bad odor from the patient. So this can be controlled by replacement of this fixed implant or removable implant according to the condition of the mandibular arch, mandibular bone and maxillary bone condition. So this drifting or migration of teeth will be very common in aging of patient. If the patient more than 50 years of age, if there is a decayed teeth in between the first molar and first premolar, if the second premolar get affected, then the dentist maximum he will take out X-ray, and he will observe in the X-ray if it is any root infection or any osteolysis in the apices of root. He will suggest and he will, if it is in so much deteriorative condition of the second premolar, he will pull the premolar, and after high calcification and high bone osteogenesis, after 1 month he will prefer the implant, single implant. Second premolar also can be replaced. If the age factor more than 50 years means the implant according to condition of the maxilla and the mandible, the implant can be placed. So this is migration of teeth or drifting anteriorly, and anterior teeth posteriorly. There will be spacing gradually, because if the anterior teeth drifting onto posterior or rear portion, then the neighboring teeth also will drift towards posterior. Like that, all the teeth, there will be existing proximal spacing, so that all the food stuff will stagnated or impacted or accumulated in between the interdental spaces, so that the sticky food and fibrous food, chicken fiber, mutton fiber, or any vegetable fibers also, because if you chew drumsticks, the fiber will enter into the in between the molar teeth or incisors teeth, so it get struck, it get impacted in between the interdental spaces. So this is most common. So every patient should replace the empty space with removable appliances or fixed appliances, or this implant. If it is two teeth, the dentist can beautifully design, and he will make the implant according to the bone condition. If the bone is healthy, definitely the implant can be recommended, highly recommended, and the patient never face problem with mastication or grinding or chewing or chopping of food like this. So if the grinding process, if the 32 teeth are in healthy and energetic and profuse pounding force, the digestion will be more efficient, and the patient never get indigestion problem, or metabolism will be very effective, and there won't be any constipation problem also, because if we chew food in partial, means partly grinding food, there will be digestion problem, because there will be, it leads to constipation also. The food will preserve more time in the small intestine and large intestine, so it takes more time to digest, because most of the professionals, they are in a sedentary job. They will sit in front of the system, laptop or desktop. So most of the time they will do job 8 to 10 hours, even 12 hours also, because in this COVID pandemic, so much of software and hardware professionals will have so much of workload from home, so that the digestion will be mostly affected, because in sedentary life, definitely every person should walk half an hour to 1 hour brisk walk or normal walk. For diabetics and hypertensive patients, we suggest normal walk, but in brisk and aggressive walk, the students and professionals can do aggressive walk half an hour to 1 hour, so that profuse sweating will excrete so much of salts, unnecessary salts in the human body, and unnecessary metals and minerals and poisonous elements will be washed out from the sweat, profuse sweating. So the empty space, if it is mandibular or maxillary ridge, it should be replaced by this artificial processes or removable appliances. Then patient digestive power will be enhanced and the assimilated power will be increased, and the metabolism and ingestion also improved lifelong. So the spacing will be controlled, and the spacing will be minimized by keeping artificial processes or fixed appliance or implant, partial implant can minimize this interdental spaces so that there won't be any foul smell furtherly, and the dentist can remove the existing interdental stagnated mutton fibers and chicken fibers or vegetable fibers in depth. So the periodontal specialist, MDS, master in periodontal surgeon can maintain this oral hygiene in a healthy condition, and good prophylaxis of oral cavity can be improved by periodontist. So the periodontal surgeon, he will do flap surgeries and minimally invasive surgeries in oral cavity, and he will remove the tartar and calicculus, and he will cure the periodontal pockets. He will excavate the periodontal pockets, and he will give the gingival pack of eugenol, because eugenol paste will have clove oil. So clove oil is antibacterial, antifungal, and antiseptic and disinfectant, and this is it will aggravate the healing process. Means the gingival tissue will attach firmly onto the coronal surface of this molars or premolars or incisors or canines, whatever it may be, very firmly, and there won't be any detachment of gingival tissue from the coronal surface of this existing teeth. So this is compulsory. Every patient should consult a dentist for any open space in between the mandibular ridge or mandibular maxillary ridge. To replace, the dentist will suggest the artificial processes, if it is fixed or removable, or this implant, he will suggest by taking out X-ray panoramic view, and he will suggest if the bone is in a healthy condition, he will suggest the implants. If the bone condition is medium, he will suggest fixed appliance by grinding of this anterior abutment and posterior abutment, and he will fix it with some zinc phosphate adhesive cements, and the patient will have good pounding force and grinding force and masticating force and chopping force at maxillary region, so that there won't be any dissimilarity of mandibular arch or maxillary arch. So the salivary juice also will get stimulated, because the food, the patient will chew the food most of the time in the oral cavity, and the tasteful food will stimulate in the trigger zone, so that the salivary juice from sublingual and submandibular and parotid secretions will enhance the most with enzymes and vitamins and minerals, so that the gastrointestinal system will absorb the vitamins, minerals and enzymes sufficiently, and the metabolism, the liver function never deplete, and the patient's health condition will be improved by replacing these empty spaces with artificial processes. So in some cases for interdental spacing, existing interdental spacing patients, every 15 days or 1 month there should be visit at professional dentist, so that the removal of tartar or concrete structure of this calculus will be removed by this Cavitron, highly sophisticated latest technology, the physical vibrations of particles of matter. So the tartar or calculus or this food concrete structure all around the coronal space, coronal area onto the tooth surface will be removed with this Cavitron machine, and the gingival tissue won't bleed. That gingival tissue, there won't be any purulent exudate or the purulent exudate from the gingival crevices, and the periodontal pockets problem also will be solved, and the patient never get this chronic suppurative periodontitis in future, because the tartar and food impaction and this concrete structure will enhance the gingival tissue in unhealthy condition, means the purulent, the pus discharge from gingival crevices, and the bleeding from the gingival crevices, and the mobility of teeth, because the gum forces, the joint between the root surface to the mandibular or maxillary jaw will be known as gum forces. The joint may become loosened, and there will be mobility, grade 1 mobility, grade 2 mobility and grade 3 mobility. So the mobilization and pain from the while mastication, while grinding or chewing food, these chronic suppurative periodontitis patients will get so much of pain while taking soft consistency food also, because the all over the gingival tissue they will have these periodontal pockets and profuse pus discharge from the crevices of gingival from the gingival crevices under 3 meters. If the patient talks, there will be foul smell because of bad breath, because of chronic suppurative periodontitis. The periodontitis since so many months and years will become the mobility of all the 32 teeth, molars, premolars, canines and anterior segment incisors of both mandibular and maxillary teeth get mobility, and even grade 3 mobility in the night time also, because of constant movement of this tongue the movement of tongue will in touch with the mobility teeth, and it will get disconnected, it will get detached from the maxillary or mandibular gingival tissue, and may sometimes may obstruct into the tracheal region also, or somebody will engulf somebody will engulf or swallow into stomach. So these are the complications, because the chronic suppurative periodontitis should be cured by by administering Metrozil 400 mg 3 times daily, and mouthwashes and regular checkups with dentist, MDS, periodontal specialist, minimally invasive periodontist can improve your oral hygiene, oral prophylaxis, and oral breath. Because some people, if some patients, if they talk, we have to run away because so much of bad smell, foul smell, and because of exudation of pus discharge or this bleeding gums will enhance the bad odor from the human oral cavity. Thank you so much for watching JRTV. Please press bell button so that every update from JRTV will be updated to you. Please comment on uploading videos so that your comments are our best stimulations. Your comments are our best energizers. Your comments are our best extra added backbone to JRTV channel. Your comments are our extra added supporting words to JRTV channel. Please share it in your big friend circle. Please share it in your big family circle. Please share it in your big student circle. Please share it in your big international clientele circle so that every update from JRTV will be updated to them. Thank you so much for watching JRTV. Signing off.